Hey, what's up you guys? It's Zach with PCBros, and today I'm going to show you how to find the best deals possible on Amazon using this app called Keepa. Now, Keepa is a price history tracker. People use this for simple things like finding good deals, or they even use it to start drop shipping businesses and stuff like that. It's a pretty detailed app, but today I'm going to show you just how to track and make sure the Amazon deals that you're getting are good deals. So to download this extension, we're going to click the three dots in the corner and go down to extensions, manage extensions. And I already have it activated, but if you do not, click get extensions on Microsoft Edge and search Keepa. Should be that first one. And once you install it, it will automatically set itself up on Amazon, so you don't have to do anything. All right, so now that we have Keepa, let me pull up a few example items and how to track the history on them. So let's just look up gaming chair, and we'll just click the first one as an example. To see the charts, we're gonna scroll down just a little bit, and it will pop up pretty much just underneath that product. We have price history, track product, data, and pretty much all of these we won't need. We will just pretty much need this price history. And all of these checkboxes on the right are going to be the trackables. Pretty much I only like to buy new stuff on Amazon and like Amazon deals. So these are the only two that I will check personally. But if you want to find extra good deals, sometimes the used stuff can be good on Amazon. Once you've clicked the data ranges that you want to track, I like to go a year and see just how good of a deal this was in the past year. So you see all the way back in March of last year, the price was about $250 for this gaming chair. You can even zoom in, but we're going to zoom back out here. So about $250. And then as the months went on, starting January of this year, this chair has gone down in price tremendously, and it's gone down even more in February. But if you check the most recent time, it just jumped up in price a little bit. So you would have missed a good $100 deal on this gaming chair if you were to buy it now. Now it's about $60 more. So these are the situations where Keepa is very good. Let's do something a little bit closer to home. Now, PC parts are pretty set and have pretty standard prices, like industry prices. So you're not going to see crazy deals. Sometimes you'll find that gem, and Keepa will really help you narrow down what is a good price. So this 1660 Super is very popular. Let's just see how good this is. GPU prices will fluctuate and go down as the newer stuff comes up. You'll see last year it was pretty steadily 200, and these are all new. It didn't really start to drop down in price until late January, early February. Now it looks like it is at a year or a 3-month low. Let's check the year and just see. Yeah, I mean, this is what you'd expect from older GPUs, but right now the 1660 Super is a great budget GPU, and for this price, this wouldn't be too bad. All right, the last item that I'm going to go over is this random keyboard I clicked on. Now, PC peripherals fluctuate in price all the time, so this is where Keepa really shines. So you always make sure that you're buying things at the best price. Right now, it says it is 25% off the listed price, but let's just see how good that is. All right, the year range for new has fluctuated up and down quite frequently. It looks like it started at about 25 about a year ago, fluctuated all the way. And just a few months ago, around December, Black Friday sales, this was lower than 25. And right now it does seem pretty steady at $30. I feel like in the next couple months, we could see this dropping down. This would not be the best time to buy this product. All right, everybody, I hope you enjoyed this quick video on how to find great deals on Amazon. Let me know in the comments, what is the best Amazon deal you have found? Don't forget to like and subscribe, and tell us what tech and how-to videos you want to see next from us.